Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your MyDish application on your mobile device. To log into MyDish app, first of all, make sure that you've downloaded the MyDish application on your device and launch it open. The first interface for MyDish will look like this. Here in the sign in area, you will need to enter your username and password associated with MyDish account. Type in your username in the first text box and then type in your password on the next field. If you don't remember your password during the process, tap on Trouble Signing In link beneath the sign in button and follow through the instructions. After filling in your credentials correct, click on Sign In to log into your MyDish application, and that's how you will be able to access your MyDish app using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.